today is Saturday, guys, and then off kami ni Kathy. So we are here in RHS Garden Wisley. Wisley Gardens. Samahan nyo kami. We'll just explore the place. You like it here? Nice. Daming tulips, guys. Ang ganda. No, it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, though. Thank you. Look at this one. Oh, it's all tulips, guys. Ganda. If you think. Yeah, we're gonna. Then, ang ganda ng building. Tingnan nyo. Actually, it's a big garden. May entrance siya at the same time. You can also have like a membership. And maganda kasi springtime dito sa UK. So you'll have more experience. Mas maganda talaga gumala pumunta sa mga gardens kasi ito yung times na yung mga bulaklak is nagbo-bloom like dito sa garden na to. Astig. Ang ganda. What are we looking for? Look at that. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. You sure you wanna go up? You wanna go up? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's nice and warm here. Ito, no? Elementary, mananumtan ni Anivesh. Ito yun. Once pag once a month tayo mamatay kayo, hug mo muna siya. Slow down, walk lang. Okay, listen to Daddy. Well done, you're doing well. Which way do you want?
This way or that way?
Up to you.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
It's
Come on.
not this way.
Okay.
I think this way.
Okay, walk lang ha. Walk lang. Okay.
And the maze?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Did you like it today?
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, flowers.